Hello Mike, you can see this is the data logger 4 to 20 milliampere data logger that has been developed. So on the lower side you can see there are all the 16 channels that has been given. So this is the controller, this is the SIM module, this is the Ethernet section, this is the real-time clock, this is the USB debugging port, and so this is the back side of this entire device. So I'm going to rotate it and I'm going to show you. So here I have connected your meter, you can see, and this is the SMPS which is driving over here. So this is the front side of the device, you can see. So these are the, on the left there are some optional buttons, as well as it will start the SD card logging, GPRS logging, Ethernet, and the setup. So once I power it on, it will come with your company name, then it will start initializing the modem. It will take some time. So initialization is okay, checking SIM card is present, checking network found, checking provider is Vodafone, measuring tower, network is excellent, connecting to GPRS. It gets connected to GPRS with the IP address, checking SD card is okay, checking RTC, checking Ethernet is okay, checking RTC time not set, and then it goes to the main screen, where on the top left it shows the date, on the right it shows the time. Channel 1 is the name of the channel 1, which is temperature. The calibration factor is 1.000. It shows the current and the value. So all the logging has been switched off. So before logging, I would like to show how the setting can be done from the computer. So here the USB cable has been attached over here, and the Ethernet cable has also been attached. So first I'm going to show you the setup. So I go to the setup screen, serial setup, I connect. Here it has started to show the current, which is 40 milliampere. So it's capturing channel 1. Now if I want to read the memory, so I can read the memory of channel 1. So it is showing temperature, you can see temperature over here. So the unit is degree, calibration factor, everything comes to this particular screen. So if I change this to, let's say, temp, I change this to degree, so you can see it's changed now. So if I set degree, it changes to degree. Similarly, I can set the date. Let's say I want to change to 17th. Right now it's 16th, so date changed to 17th. So similarly, the GPRS log time, it's 59 seconds. That is, every 1 minute it's going to log to GPRS. Similarly for Ethernet and for the MMC. So let us see how this is the meter. So I'm going to switch it on. So it's 4 milliampere now. I'm going to increase it. Let's say 8 milliampere. So it also goes to 8.02 milliampere. I change this to 11. So it will soon change to here 10.92, 10.90, that is 11. So now I'm going to start the Ethernet or the GPRS logging. So once I do that, this is how the Ethernet logging can be done. I just press this, sorry, it's MMC. I press the GPRS logging. GPRS logging turned on. So this is the last data that has been entered, which is yesterday, that is 15th. So today is 16th. So this will be the data, the first entry of the day. So let us wait for that. Once the logging starts, it will start with a beep alarm and then it will start logging. So you can see this is the current. So we have to wait for 1 minute and then the logging will start. Here you can see it's logging data into GPRS. And the data gets logged. So let us refresh this screen. And you see it's on 16th and this is the data that has been entered over here. So we can see all the data has been entered over here. So now I am going to start the Ethernet logging. Well, on the website you can see it has the channel 1 is 4 because it got switched off at the time of logging, and it is showing 4 million. So it has come 4. So at the time of data logging, the present value will be logged. So again it's logging. So we have to wait for that. Now we switch off the GPRS logging and we switch on the Ethernet. As soon as we start that, we can see the green LED of the Ethernet is glowing. So I'm going to show, this is a software that will be capturing the data. So here you can see this is the IP address of the local host IP, and this is the device IP. So we have to wait for 10 seconds or so to see the data logging. Here you can see it's receiving data from the device, and it is getting showed on this particular RS-232 to this particular software. So it will keep coming from time to time. So let us wait and see. Actually the data logging is for this is 59. so we can try to reduce it. Right now we have, for that we have to stop the data logging, but let us wait for another log. You can see another data has come just now, so it's channel 6. So after every 1 minute all the data will keep coming from the device, which is a client, and this particular laptop is acting as server. So it's logging to the server and it is acting as a Ethernet client. You can see the Ethernet is going, and this is getting logged via this particular Ethernet port. So let us see one more data. Just now another data has come, which is channel 7. So it's all showing 4 because 4 stands for 0, and there are no other inputs over here, and this is also switched off. So this is showing 4 for the time. So this is all for now. So we have the Ethernet, we have USB, and we have the GPRS logging, and we have as well as the SD card. So I forgot to show you the SD card where the data is getting logged. This is the SD card section where I have inserted the SD card. So there the data is getting logged in the SD card as well. So this is all for now, Mike. Thank you. Hope you have liked this video. If you approve this, then I'm going to ship it to you. Thank you. And the rest of the videos are also coming to you. Thank you.